This is the front of the palace. Children and adults line up there. The king is distributing seeds. A soldier with a spear is standing behind the king. There is a seed bowl near to the king. Children and adults are anxious. The king is wearing a crown and jewels. The two children were not wearing shirts. This is a royal palace. The king sits on the throne. The soldier is standing beside the king holding a spear. There are two men standing in front of the king. Some people are sitting inside the hall. The one in front is talking to the king. There are 7 people in the picture. 6 of them are children. A mother is holding a child on her lap and reading a book. She is sitting on a bench. Another child is standing next to the mother. A boy is standing on a tree branch. A girl is sitting on a tree branch. A boy is playing with a dog. A girl is playing with a toy cart. This is a vegetable garden. There are 4 people in the vegetable garden. The boy is plucking tomatoes. A man is carrying pumpkins in a wheelbarrow. A woman stands with a basket full of cucumbers. The girl is plucking cucumbers. There is a squirrel sitting on the roof of the house. The sun is shining in the sky. There are a few more clouds in the sky. There are 5 people in the picture. This is a green field. There are 2 big trees. 2 boys playing ball on the field. There is a girl swinging. A boy is sitting under a tree and reading a book. A boy is sitting on a tree branch looking through binoculars. A girl is painting under a tree.